Heat Protectant Spray. Heat damage from blow-drying flat iron damage and curling iron damage is prevented by using this product daily. Leave-in Conditioner Spray. Spray into damp clean hair to protect from heat styling. Hydrate and nourish hair from the inside out. Use daily on all hair types. Hair Protein Treatment. Fortify your hair and rebuild color and chemical damage with natural proteins. Detangler and Anti-Frizz. Reduce breakage and stop frizz with this single product. Comb through after spraying in damp clean hair for maximum detangling effect. Blocks humidity and reduces dry time. This anti-frizz formula blocks moisture from creating curls or frizz in your smooth hair while reducing the time it takes to blow dry. Excellent for smooth and curly hair types. Protein Infused Heat Protectant Spray. Truss Deluxe Prime Miracle Treatment is a highly versatile protein-infused spray that restores, and revitalizes even the most fragile, damaged and chemically treated hair. This product is also an excellent detangler, protecting the hair from breakage and leaving hair soft and silky. Prime Deluxe can be used as a treatment, after the shampoo and before the conditioner, as a deep conditioning treatment or a leave-in conditioner applied to damp hair. Heat Protectant Spray. High Performance Hair Treatment. Hair Repair Protein Treatment. Leave-in Conditioner Spray. Detangler Anti-Frizz. Blocks humidity, reduces dry time. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Great for frizziness. Bought this product originally through my hairstylist. Great for a boost of shine and taming frizz. I love that my hair gets that instant shine and soft feel. Quick and easy to use. Just follow instructions.